There are often classic car tours and rallies where you are given directions with total and intermediate distances, for example between junctions. The trip or odometer of classic cars are not very accurate, so I bought the Terratrip 202 Geotrip with GPS. It's very easy to use and does not need any installation or probes and can be used in any car. The only thing it does not have is an average speed readout, as this is not allowed if you want to try some regularity rallies. This is the Terratrip 202 Geotrip with GPS with the bracket 303 Geotrip and the cigar plug for V4 computers. I've put the aerial with Velcro on the top and a little bit of rubber on the underside for protection. Fully adjustable. With the bracket it's easy to put the Terratrip in any car, on any dash. Put the cigar lighter in, press the power button and it'll come up like that. Press the menu button and go down and up again. If you want to select it, press enter. Calibration, auto calibration, manual calibration, GPS calibration. Exit is menu again. The GPS does not need calibration. Hold the probe for 2 seconds. That's the GPS probe calibrated. Change from kilometers to miles. Menu, down to settings, enter, set units kilometers or miles, enter, to toggle between kilometers and miles, enter, exit, and now it's in miles. What I use a lot is to use the speed screen. Just press the button screen and it'll displays the speed in the bottom and the trip in the top. FRZ freezes the screen, intervals the zeros and resumes in the background. Distance, set or adjust the required distance display with number keys and then enter. Exit. Distance fly, adjust the total 1/10 up or down, press again for 1/100th up and down, enter. The plus and the minus is just to count up or down in distance. The probe is to cycle between the probes, hold for 2 seconds for GPS. So you can zero at the start. Goes to zero.